Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll share with you about Bitunix, its advantages compared to other crypto exchanges, how to add funds, and how you can start futures trading on their platform. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Bitunix, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 5,500 USDT in welcome bonus. Bitunix is one of the fastest growing exchange in the world, achieving millions of users in just 1 year and already offering over 250 coins for trading. Recently, major exchange rankings like CoinGecko have positioned it in the global top 15. Here are the 7 reasons why you should trade on Bitunix. First, no KYC plus no VPN. Anyone can register, that's freedom, and it's available for mobile app and desktop. Leverage up to 125 times, higher profit opportunities, also higher risk. All the orders in the chart plus multi-window unique function, easier and multi-window feature that just exist on Bitunix. Lower trading fee, cheaper than the average exchange fees. Deep liquidity and minimum slippage. Faster transactions with reduced impact from price fluctuations, efficient and stable trade executions. 24/7 customer support, getting help in seconds from team members. And lastly, reserve verification. Assets backed by exchange, verified reserves, and that's security transparency. Now, let me show you how to deposit on the app. Open your account and tap on the Assets tab. Since I'll show you the basics for futures trading, you tap Futures here to deposit. Bitunix allows fiat and crypto deposits. Crypto deposit is free and over 190 coins are allowed. There are 58 fiat supported for deposit. Here are some of it. To deposit crypto from other wallet, you click on Deposit button here. But if you want to deposit using fiat, you tap the Buy button. This time, let me show you how to open a position on Bitunix Futures Trading. Go to Futures tab. They support limit, market, and trailing stop order. Market orders are the simplest. They are executed immediately based on the best available market price. Limited orders are used when you want to buy or sell at a price that's different than the current price. The order gets placed in the order book, and once the price reaches the limit price, it will be executed. Lastly, a trailing stop refers to a strategy order that submits a trader's set order to the market in the event of a pullback in the market. When the latest market price or mark price reaches the 1 plus minus retracement of the highest or lowest price, it will trigger a market order. The execution price will be 1 plus minus retracement of the highest or lowest price. Bitunix supports up to 125 times leverages in futures. They support isolated and cross-mode futures trading. If your fund is under spot, you just go back to Assets tab, then click Transfer, then make sure it's from spot account to USDT futures. Transferring funds to futures account has 0 fee. Now, let's go back to Futures tab and let me show you how to open a position. Choose your trading pair here, preferred level of leverage, mode, price, quantity, and direction, long or short of contract. Your submitted and processed orders will be shown in the open orders. When they are successfully submitted, you can find them in positions. Under positions, you will also see your unrealized profits and losses or P&L. Please note that when placing a position in the opposite direction, it closes part or all of your current position automatically. When placing a position in the same direction, in the same trading pair, the second positions will combine into one position and be shown on the page. Bitunix support multiple entries for the same position, and you can just adjust the leverage after placing the position. For closing a position, you can choose to manually enter the details to close a position. And please note that close order cannot be revoked. Similar to opening positions, process orders will be available for checkup in open orders. If you want to trade also on Bitunix, please check the video description to register and get up to 5,500 USDT welcome bonus. All you need to do is to complete tasks in the reward center and you will start getting bonuses. That's it for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.